Zach Leonard!
Behold, this is the Spear-only challenge.
Stab! Stab! Stab!
A good time will be had by all.
Bronze difficulty.
It only gets harder after this.
Victory!
The human didn't die!
Well, we're only in the bronze tier.
Spear bots, attack! Run in a pack! Jump up from the back!
Wow.
Flappy arms.
Victory!
Promising! Archers and swords! It never grows old!
Much like a robot body.
Victory!
Victory.
Very nice!
Hello.
This level is green.
Yes!
Like your base, analysis bot.
Correct!
An interesting fact.
Congratulations, human. You will die in the silver tier. Victory!
Excellent. The human is getting there.
Pretty good!
Let's do a level with only 2 enemies.
Sounds too easy!
Tell that to the dead human.
Victory!
Hooray.
The further the human gets, the more spectacular its death!
Yes, let's keep watching.
It is getting hot in here!
If we were human, we would take off our clothes.
Clone created.
Jet water everywhere. Write a song about it.
Organic life is so silly!
Analysis bot. How long does it take to create a human?
About 9 months to create the first version, then several years to teach it how to do things.
So long.
Clone activated.
human beat the silver level?
It's a pretty good level.
Jump into the ring.
Love this level.
Time for the human to burn.
Clone created.
Nice. Now more versions of this human will die.
Perhaps they will die in different ways.
We shall see.
This is gold.
Yes.
Clone activated. Victory.
The human won.
Not bad.
And now, can the human reach the top?
Maybe with a jump pad.
Clone created.
Now the human has a friend.
It is only friends with copies of itself.
It is the human way.
I like garbage.